Hi, it's Steve from MyCaseBuilder here at Cine Gear Atlanta 2023, and I want to tell you about our company, MyCaseBuilder. So we've been doing custom foam for over 30 years. My dad started the company. I grew up with foam. There was no spring mattresses allowed in my house. We slept on foam. We played with foam, and so we took our company from a small little foam cutting place into a master case foam extravaganza. So what you can do is create your own custom foam for your case. For if you already have a case, we can do custom foam for that. So the way it works is this. If you already have a case, any brand, you can create custom foam for your gear right on our website exactly for that. We also do sell cases too. We've got all the major brands as well, including our own Doro cases. So we've always tried to innovate, and what we've done recently is create printing directly onto a foam so that you could create labeling, logos, full color custom foam to be able to house, protect, and enhance your gear. And new, coming out fourth quarter of this year, is going to be our photo tracer using AI. So I'm going to show you that right now and give you a little demo. So let's just say that you want to put this battery into your case, and it's not in our shape library. We do have 8,000 shapes in our library, but maybe this one isn't in it. So what I could do is I could take a picture using our AI photo tracer. So I'll do a demo right now. We've got our phone app right over here, and we're going to take a picture. It'll tell me whether I'm straight there. So right now, boom, I've got it there. I'm going to crop it, tilt it so it's straight, and then watch the AI magic. It's going to get rid of that background and create the cutout for there. I'm going to give it 2 dimensions to scale. So length, left to right, and how deep it goes down into the foam. And then I'm going to call it a battery. And now we're going to go over to the computer and we're going to scan this QR code so it will show up onto our screen. So here we go. I come in. I'm just going to scan the QR code in the photo tracer, just like that. And now I've got my battery. It's going to come up right there, process it, and add it to my screen. So now I've got a perfect custom cutout exactly for my battery or any gear that you want to put inside of your case. So you can see you could do almost any shape, really, literally any shape that you want. So I want to put this, if I want to put this knife into the case, so I'll do that same process. So basically I'll come in, we get nice, flat, straight cut. We're going to crop it like this, make sure it's nice and straight. Give the 2 dimensions after the AI takes out that background. And then we're going to come in, we're going to say that it's right there. This one's a knife. And we're going to take that over to the QR code, and it's going to come right up. Just like that, and process it. And here is my knife. So I got now my battery, my knife, and anything else that I want to put inside of my case. You can do it right here, right on the mycasebuilder.com website. It's easy. Yes, so we designed the software ourselves. So let me just come in here. We'll do that real fast. So I'll go into this one over here. Yeah, so this is our software. It's very easy to use. You can go into our shape library. We have 7,000, almost 8,000 shapes in our library. Somebody was asking me for these. But yeah, all different shapes, all different items that we have. So we have the new... Correct, the photo tracer. Correct. You can also do rectangular cutouts, draw your own, and so on and so forth. And you can print directly on just by coming in here. It's unlimited cutouts inside of your case, all for one price. So you'll know the price before you start designing. Real easy. And also, it doesn't have to be for a case. You can do custom foam for a drawer, for a box, for anything that you want to do. Okay, so our customers create their own foam and their own designs, and I never even believed that they would go crazy as they did, creating incredible custom printed foam like this for JoJo's video game console over here. But the nice thing about our printing on foam is you can label all your cavities. So this is really great for cameras, for gears. If you're giving out your case, renting out your case, you can have lift out trays with other printing on the bottom as well. And then on the lid, QR codes. This helps obviously if you're going to need to have contents lists or even videos to instructions on how to put your gear together, and logos are always important. But again, contents lists, you could just print it right onto the case. So this way, you know that when somebody's coming out with this case, bringing it into the field, that they have everything that they need before the shoot and then come back after the shoot as well. And you can see this over here. Overwatch Imaging is one of our customers. They do imaging to detect forest fires. So they basically took this concept of making an unbelievably stunning case when you open it up.
You've been walking around with that Weinstein. Why?
Yeah, so this shows how we can print on the outsides of the case as well. So full color printing on the outsides of case. Sometimes you'll screen print onto a case. We don't. We use full color, 4-color printing.
Actually printed on the
Actually printed right onto the case. Exactly.
What's inside?
Exactly. No, this one doesn't. This one has a drone cut out inside, but no printing. But that's our Pro Cell foam. So in this case, this is a 1/3, 2/3 case. So this gives you the ability to have your lenses in one section and your camera body on the other section. Now, let's say your lenses are going to last you a lot longer and you're going to keep those lenses a lot longer. You might get a new camera body. All you need to do is just remove this piece, get a new one over here using our MyCaseBuilder software, and then you can take that new one and put it in over here just like that. You don't need a whole new case, right? You have your lenses are all the same. So you just get this replacement piece right here, and very easy to do and less expensive than having to get a whole new case. So we try to make everything easy at MyCaseBuilder. So we have flat rate shipping. So it's $8.99 no matter what you buy, no matter how many you buy. We also have a fail-safe program. So let's say you design your own foam and something just doesn't fit exactly right. No problem. Starting at about $10, you can get this fail-safe. And for any reason, within 30 days, you just send back the foam. We'll cut you a brand new piece of foam that's going to fit your gear. Shipping takes about 3 weeks to come out of our New Jersey factory, and then it's on its way. All easy to do, and we tried to make it fun as MyCaseBuilder is a master distributor for almost every brand of case: Pelican, SKB, Nanook, Seahorse, our own brand, Doro. So this case is made in Italy. Really nice. It's got an up and over latch. It's got a rubberized grip handle, O-ring seal, IP67 rated, basically everything that the other cases have, but a lot less expensive, and Italian quality. We also, again, do just foam only for any case as well. But all the brands, we have almost 600 different sizes when you count them all. So thanks for joining us here on our tour of MyCaseBuilder. You could go to mycasebuilder.com, check it out, get your custom foam exactly for your gear in minutes. Thanks again. This is Steve, the owner of MyCaseBuilder. Looking forward to helping you out with your custom case at mycasebuilder.com. All right, much better than yesterday. Thank you. Thank you. That was good. Yeah. No, that was great.